Hey guys, welcome to my metal shop. I'll do some different kind of videos for a change, off and on from our travel videos. So this will be, every once in a while I'm going to do do-it-yourself metal work, and maybe a bit of woodwork, who knows. So I think my first project is going to be a gimbal for small cameras, like this camera right here, because you know it shakes, and it'd be like a Steadicam gimbal. I just started a couple prototypes here, but you'll get the idea. But right now, that's just testing some ideas here, and hope you guys come back in a bit when I get everything either have done or completely done. I'll let you know. All right, take care, guys. Thanks.